Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change your username on Instagram on computer. So let's get started. First, you want to click on your profile in the bottom left. Then you're going to click on Edit Profile. From here, you're going to click on See More in Account Center. Then you want to click on your Instagram account right here. Then select Username. Now once you're here, you can type in your new username. After you are done, you simply hit Done right here, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.